What's up, you guys? It's your girl Victoria and I'm back with another video. So if you want to see how I got this natural beat, stay tuned. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and let's get into the video. So you guys, I just did my eyebrows and I put concealer on. The concealer that I used was the LA Color Pro concealer in the color Fun. And for eyebrows, I just did a light brow, kind of like a tint, using the Kat Von D brown pomade in the color Walnut. It's the 24-hour long lasting. So you guys, I am coming to tell you how fascinating this company is. I'm in love with this new makeup company that I'm using. It's called Makeup Revolution, you guys. Their foundation, I bought a whole bunch of stuff from them. I'm not gonna use the eyeshadow today, only because like I used it in another look and I'm probably gonna refilm the look just so I can get the look up to you guys, so you guys can see how I filmed the look. But you guys, this is really gonna be like focusing on the foundation, just not the whole company itself, but just in the foundation wise and concealer and just how it turns out. You're gonna see. So now I'm going in with the Makeup Revolution Mattified Primer. You guys, I purchased this primer from Ulta for about $10. You guys, I am in love with it. It just like, it goes so well with my skin. Like, I don't have oily skin and I don't have like dry skin, but it just like, it really makes it look matte and it makes it look so natural, which is the really good part about it. That's the good thing. It looks so natural, and that's really what I want when I'm doing like my natural looks, cause a bitch ain't trying to be caked up all day long. Like, make sure you get like here, cause I'll probably get oily here and here. Alright, so once you put that on, I'm going for the light look like I already said. So now I'm going to go in with their foundation. I'm going in with Makeup Revolution's Conceal and Define foundation in the color F13. You guys, look how big this is. This is a big bottle compared to any other foundation I have. Let me go ahead and show you. So just look at the difference between this. I paid $12, maybe not even. Let's see. So I paid $12 for this foundation and I paid $30 for this one. That's a big difference. Okay, so let's go to another one. I paid maybe like $14 for this, maybe $14-15 for this L'Oreal, and I still paid $12 for this. Look at the difference. Like, it's just so big, like it doesn't compare to anything that I've ever been using. So I want to show you guys the brush on this. Like, it's massive. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Focus right now. Focus before we fight. It doesn't want to focus, but look at it. Look how big it is. So I'm going to take that and I'm going to just glide that on my face. The applicator is super nice. That's really what I love about it. And this is F13. I was really kind of nervous because I was like, damn, this has like an orange tint to it. It's like super hella warm. Like, doesn't even look like it's gonna blend. Oh baby, it's gonna blend. So I'm gonna go in with the Real Techniques 200 foundation brush and I'm just going to blend that out. And look at how well it's blended into my skin. Yes, give me life. Make sure you get under your chin. Oh, look at that. Ooh. I'm just trying my best not to get it in my hair, because that's just where I don't want it in my hair. Look at that. Look how pretty that is. So it's definitely full coverage. I have a mark right here. I'm not sure if you can see it, but you might see like the shadow print. You guys, look how full coverage that is. That primer definitely made this foundation matte. Like, look at it. So I just want to say that foundation was $12. It's in the color F13, the one I just used. It goes up to the shade range. Let's see. It starts from the color F0 and it goes like F0.1, F0.2, stuff like that. Like, I have F13, so it has F13.2, F13.7, F13.5, and then the lowest color shade, the lowest shade is F18. That's their darkest, so it goes from F0 to F18. I'm in the medium range, I guess, medium to dark range, because the higher numbers are more like olive colors, it looks like. So yeah, let's see what F13 is. F13 is a medium to dark skin tone. It's a golden undertone. It's definitely giving me that golden undertone, but it's definitely full coverage. It does say and do what, you know, it says. So now we're going to go in with their concealer. It says more coverage, 16-hour wear. So don't say 24 hours, which not everything is 24 hours. I just don't believe that, but it says 16 hours at the most. I got it in the number C12. You guys, it says conceal and define. It's supposed to be like a very full coverage. Like, you can't get it no better than this. So I want to let you guys know that this costs around $7. You guys, this is gonna be super light and you're probably gonna be like, that's not your shade, but I went up one from my foundation color. So my foundation of color again is F13, and then I went to C12. So let me show you what it's gonna look like. Look how light, look how light. And it has the same type of applicator. So the shades for the concealer go from C0.1 to C18. You can purchase it for $7. I'm about to show you. I do feel like using the concealer, like, I feel like if you don't use the concealer fast enough, then it may like dry up. I like to go back in with my foundation brush and leftover foundation and just clean up that concealer so it doesn't look so sharp. Basically like ombre, to give it like the cleanest look that I can. Remember, you guys, we're not baking because we want a natural look. So look at the difference in the eyes. Like, you can tell the difference in my eyes. Look at it. I make sure to put powder right here around my mouth because that's where I really start to crease first. That's my first creasing spot. I put some on my eyebrows too, just to set that pomade. So now I'm going to go in with what I do best. I like to go in with the Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and I like to use the reds to contour my face. So you see this red side, the second row coming from your left, I like to use that to go ahead and contour my face. Now I'm going in with the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Finishing Powder. It says it's a matte finish up to 16 hours and it's supposed to be air fine, which makes you look really natural. And this is in the color 700, which is called Classic 10. I'm going to take a big powder brush from Eco Styles and I'm just going to press that in my face. You want to press it in to make sure you get it in right. And if you want to like tone down your setting powder, the best thing to do is use a finishing powder and it'll tone it down. Setting spray is the Makeup Revolution Sport Fix. You guys, this just brings my face together. If you didn't know, like, sprays bring your face together. Don't spray too close because you're gonna like wet your face up and shit. Don't do that. But get about this far back in. It definitely like stinks. I can say that it definitely stinks. Oh, I just straightened my hair. And I do have clothes on for those who are wondering. It's just a half top. So because it's supposed to be a natural look, I'm not gonna go in with any lashes or anything. I'm going to use one of the best mascaras on the market right now. It's the Superhero It. This is the best to me, but maybe not to others. So I'm just gonna show you what it's gonna do for my lashes. I can't really speak too much. I bought the little small size, a little bite size. It does just the same as the big one, but the big one is super big. And I bought this for maybe like $12. Maybe, I'm not sure. But this is what the spoolie looks like. And I'm gonna show you the difference between one eye and the other eye. So that is what one eye looks like. Ooh, hoo, 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 honey. That's so cute. And I'm gonna do that. So look at the difference. I'm gonna get close. I'm gonna zoom in for you. So now I'm gonna go in with the liquid cat suit in the color Caught You Bare Naked, and this is by Wet n Wild. So this is what it looks like. Got it for $2. Now I'm gonna go in with the 24K Gold by the company Nikak. I am going to go in with the Too Faced Duo Kit. It's the Apricot Glow. It comes with the color, it's bronze, and it also comes with this highlighter, and I'm just going to highlight my face. Alright you guys, so this is the finished look. This is my natural beat to go out somewhere. I feel like I'm slaying. It's good enough. I don't need too much. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more videos, and I'll see you guys in my next video.